that she really wants me, like the news wants controversy. The way we toss in the sheets, like a sailboat lost at sea.